create a news piece. So first thing you want to do is type in the HipTops https://www.canva.com. Then you want to come up here and hit sign up. Then you're going to hit continue with Google. Use your Jeffco email here. And then it will take you here. You're just using the free one. If it asks you if you want to use Pro, the answer is no. Then you come over here. You want to hit templates. You want to hit education. And then you're going to you can pick which one works best for you. I would suggest doing classroom newsletters, storyboards. You can do blank and simple. You really want to find something that looks like a newspaper. So we're going to hit all templates actually. Then we're going to search news up at the top there. And we're going to find all these templates that look like a newspaper. I really like this one because right now we're focusing on the writing piece, not just the visual. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on this big purple button, customize this template. Now I can go in and I can change my title. Since we're working on coping skills, mine would have said maybe like using art for calming, some breaking news story I found. Please make sure that at some point on the page you have your name and the date. So like down here, that would be a good spot. Now when you're all done, you've got everything typed up, you've checked your spelling, everything's good to go. You'll go up here to the right hand corner and you'll hit the share button. And then you're going to hit download. Or why don't you hit download? So you're going to download to your computer here, and then from there you're going to email it to either Ms. Taylor or I. If you still have questions after watching this video, you can definitely ask. Okay, but that's the basics of how to use Canva to create your news article.